Okay, it's raining, as you can probably see from my mask, and I've had a walk to the boating lake. It's foggy. I needed to upload something today, so it's going to be this. Yeah, the boating lake. Beautiful. There's little birds on the bank over there. I think it's stopped raining at last. Absolutely beautiful. Trying to keep the camera out of the rain, because she's not weather resistant or rain resistant or any resistant. I'm trying not to pan too fast because it's nauseating when you watch a video that's been panned fast. We'll have a little walk. What else can we see from underneath this shelter? What else can we see? Oh, loads of traffic. Loads of cars. They're parked. Don't know why. Over there, don't know if you can see it, but over there is Rossall Point, and that's where I'm going to walk to next. Looks like a dog. We call it the Rossall dog. And in the summer, when it's not foggy, when the weather's good, when there's no rain, it looks like, well, it has the shape of a dog, and the windows, the observation windows, look like dog's teeth. So it, for all intents and purposes, does look like a dog. And there she is, in all the glory. Rossall Point, Outlook Point. See the long thing going down for his ears? His sharp teeth. And this is what he's protecting. He's protecting our wonderful shores. And that's it. Thank you for watching.